Hi students, today we are going to discuss about 6th standard social science term 2 lesson resources geography part. Okay, in the last video we have discussed about resources and classification of resources, especially the origin of the natural resources, biotic and abiotic resources. First, biotic resources are all living resources. Example, plants, animals and microorganisms. Second, abiotic resources are non-living resources. For the example, land, water, air and mineral. Then, now we are going to see the next topic on the basis of development. Actual resources and potential resources. On the basis of development, based on the level of development, resources can be divided into actual and potential resources. First, we are going to see the actual resources or resources that are being used and the quantity available is now. For example, coal at Neyveli. Coal at Neyveli. Then the potential resources are resources that are not being used in the present. And its quantity and location are not known. The technology to extract such resources is also yet to be developed. Example, marine found in the Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea. Marine East have greater potential than the terrestrial East. They can be used in packing, brewing, wine, bioethanol and protein production. So, these are the potential resources. The next topic is on the basis of renewability. This can be classified into two: renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Resources once consumed can be renewed with the passage of time or called renewable resources. Once consumed can be renewed with the passage of time or called renewable resources. But the natural resources which are limited can be called non-renewable resources. They became exhausted after use and the time they take to replace does not match the life cycle. Example, coal, petroleum, natural gas and other minerals. For the renewable resources, the examples air, water, sunlight. Such as resources can also limit its available quantity. So they have to be used wisely. These are the renewability on the basis of renewability resources. And one more information about the non-renewable resources. The resources which cannot renew themselves are either scarce or totally absent. So man is in search of new resources and is conducting several researches. He confirms that subsistence is a resource only after research. He tries to harness it and also researches the regions where it may be found in. They are potential resources. Wind energy is one such example. The place where the wind energy can be utilized are still unknown. The next topic is distribution on the basis of distribution. Resources can be classified into localized resources and universal resources. Localized resources and universal resources. Localized resources. When resources are present in specific regions, they are called localized resources. Some, for example, minerals. Next one is some resources are present everywhere. Such resources are called universal resources. This is sunlight and air. For the example, sunlight and air. So this is on the basis of distribution. The next topic is on the basis of ownership. Based on ownership, resources can be classified into individual resources, community owned resources, national resources and international resources. First, we are going to see the individual resources are resources privately owned by individuals. For example, apartments, houses. Next, community owned resources. Community owned resources are resources which can be utilized by all the members of the community. For example, public parks. Then third one, national resources are resources which the political boundaries and oceanic area of a country. Example, tropical forest regions of India. And at last one, international resources are all oceanic resources found in the open ocean. Resources found in this region can be utilized only after an international agreement. Example, ambergris. Ambergris is an extract from the sperm whale. A pound 0.454 kg of sweet smiling ambergris is worth USA pound 63,000 and used in perfume industries.